plus court costs. We'll apply the 150 current bond. We'll apply that. Can you pay the balance today or do you need some time? All right, go downstairs and talk about options.
A woman stands before the court, facing a charge that could quietly reshape her future. Officers had stopped her behind the wheel, on a day her license gave her no legal right to drive. What seemed like a routine traffic violation now carries consequences that extend far beyond a simple fine.
Ms. Shepard, are you going forward today without an attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor. You're going to plead guilty to a December 23 no valid operator's license on person charge, correct? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? You understand that when that goes on your record, Secretary of State may resuspend you. They may extend your suspension period. You understand that? Doesn't have the 2 points that the drove while license suspended does, but it could impact your ability to drive legally. You understand that? And you understand your rights?
Yes.
All right. And are you going forward with the guilty plea? I'm not trying to talk you out of it. I just want to make sure you're going in with your eyes wide open.
This is the moment the judge lays bare the hidden cost of the plea. A guilty disposition filed with the state could trigger an extended suspension, stacking new punishment onto time she's already serving. The defendant had a deal, but the judge wanted her to understand exactly what she was signing away.
The way this can work is if you're currently suspended for a year, for example, and we tell them that you were driving, because when we do the disposition, we show them that you were driving on December 23rd. So that could trigger an added suspension period to that 1 year. No guarantee that it will, but I just want to give you a heads up, it might.
Okay, wait and get everything straightened out. I'm curious, only thing I gotta do is say what it says.
But this is going to tell them that you were driving when they told you not to. So that's what they hang their hat on if they penalize you. All right. Anything else? Okay. So did you in fact drive a vehicle that day in Van Buren Township? And your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Okay. I'll accept your plea. You've already posted some money, right? Okay. And when are you taking your test?
Friday.
Took it Friday. Tomorrow. A lot of testing going on tomorrow. Good luck. All right. Are you working? Where do you work? How long? All right. Anything else you want me to consider? All right. We got some late fees on this one. Let's see what we got. No, it looks like you, is her bond forfeited or oh, she got a new bond. Okay. Yeah. It looks like she had a bond way back in 17, lost it, and then she got a new bond from 25. Okay. All right. We've got a lot of money out of you already. $500 fines plus court costs. We'll apply the 150 current bond. We'll apply that. Can you pay the balance today or do you need some time? All right, go downstairs and talk about options. Any questions? You're all set.
In the end, the gavel came down with a $500 fine plus court costs, partially offset by bond money already posted. She walks out with a guilty plea on record, a driving test scheduled for the next morning, and a Secretary of State now watching her every move. One bad decision on December 23rd, and the road back to legal driving just got longer.